Hello, yeah, welcome back to my channel, and if you are stopping by for the first time, this is the Bell Makeovers. Today's tutorial is on how I achieved this glam smoky look. I couldn't quite decide on the kind of lips I wanted. I did the red first and then I felt it was a bit too much, so I changed it to the softer lips. Let me know in the comment section which one you prefer. So I started off by lightening out our brows with some concealer and setting powder before going into my brow gel, which I'm applying with an angled brush. So all the products I used are going to be listed in the description box.
Let the rhythm move us, yeah baby, take it too far. You're at the center of my attention, yeah you got me so lost. I love the way that you move and how the lights keep up the groove. We're like in a movie, baby, but it's ending too soon. We're here now, let's party together. Like tonight is forever. We're here now, let's party together. Like tonight is forever. Music's loud and I'm feeling alright. In slow motion, baby, it's just you and I. Yet the burn makes you feel so alive. And we live in the moment, so you can live in tonight. We're here now, let's party together. Like tonight is forever. We're here now, let's party together. Like tonight is forever. Let the rhythm move us, yeah baby, take it too far. You're at the center of my attention, yeah you got me so lost. I love the way that you move and how the lights keep up the groove. We're like in a movie, baby, but it's ending too soon. We're here now, let's party together. Like tonight is forever. We're here now, let's party together. Like tonight is forever. Music's loud and I'm feeling alright. In slow motion, baby, it's just you and I. Yeah, We're here now, let's party together. Tonight is forever. We're here now, let's party together. Tonight is forever. Let the rhythm move us, yeah baby, take it too far. You're at the center of my attention, yeah you got me so lost. I love the way that you move and how the lights keep up the groove. We're like in a movie, baby, but it's ending too soon. We're here now, let's party together. Like tonight is forever. We're here now, let's party together. Like tonight is forever. Music's loud and I'm feeling alright. It's slow motion, baby, it's just you and I. Yet the burn makes you feel so alive. I'm living the moment, so you living tonight. We're here now, let's party together. Tonight is forever. We're here now, let's party together. Tonight is forever. Let the rhythm move us, yeah baby, take it too far. You're at the center of my attention, yeah you got me so lost. I love the way that you move and how the lights keep up the groove. We're like in a movie, baby, but it's ending too soon. We're here now, let's party together. Like tonight is forever. We're here now, let's party together. Like tonight is forever. Music's loud and I'm feeling alright. It's slow motion, baby, it's just you and I. Yet the burn makes you feel so alive. I'm living the moment, so you living tonight. We're here now, let's party together. Tonight is forever. We're here now,
So we've come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. I apologize for some places where my body was blocking the light, making the video dark. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to like, leave a comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.